Good evening, everyone. This is Carrie with Inkwell Collectibles. Tonight we are opening our Lord of the Rings Collector Booster Box Special Edition number 2. This one is going to be for one of our customers, Joel. He gets these tomorrow on release day, and we're going to see what he got. And so to dive in, we're just going to start towards the back and see so first for Joel, we're starting with Errand Rider of Gondor, common, Lorien Revealed, Faramir Field Commander. I don't know about you guys, but I do love the new scroll artwork on these. Shadowfax, Lord of Horses. And then we're on to our foils. Nasty End, Shower of Arrows, The Mouth of Sauron, Legolas, Counter of Kills. Then he's got his Surge Foil Swamp. Those are pretty cool. And then we're on to our rares, Lothrian Blade. And we've got a foil, Phial of Galadriel. Nazgul Battle Mace, full art, rare. And then our Surge Foil, Sharky Tyrant of the Shire, rare. Peregrine Took. Pact of Negation, full art. And then his token is going to be Food and Orc Army. Next pack, we're going to just go from the front for this. So hopefully, if we're lucky, he will get a serialized. Of course, I'm always excited about the new poster art. And we're starting with the Nimrudil Watcher, Revive the Shire, Gandalf Friend of the Shire, another Legolas, Counter of Kills, Mushroom Watchdogs in foil, Rally at the Hornburg, Celeborn the Wise, Gollum's Bite, our Surge Art foil Mountain, and then onto our Rares Mythics, Grey Host Reinforcements, Arwen Mortal Queen in Mythic, so that's a fun one. Minas Morgul Dark Fortress, Legendary Land. And he's got Surge Foil, Horn of Gondor. Again, beautiful card. We saw one of those last night. Shards of Narsil, Thorn of Amethyst, Mythic. That's a fantastic card. Non-creature spell cost, 1 more to cast. And again, I don't know if you guys, if you notice it whenever you open these. If you do, these cards to me, personally, just feel a little bit thicker or stiffer than the normal ones. But I do like the feeling of that. Soul's Attendant, full art foil. And then we have our Food and Ballistic Boulder for our tokens. Next pack, we're just going to pull from the front. And we're starting with Mirror Guardian, The Black Breath, Horses of the Brunnen, Dunedain Rangers, Lorien Revealed, getting to the foils, Fog on the Barrows Downs, Friendly Rivalry. It's actually, I could use that in a deck I just made. Fear Fire Foes, Forest, full art Surge Foil, Horn of the Mark for a rare, Aragon Company Leader in foil. So that is pretty cool. Minas Tirith Garrison, sorry. His power is equal to the number of cards in your hand. Then we have our Surge Foil, Shagrat Loot Bearer, Gollum, Patient Plotter, Surge Foil again. Those are beautiful. Oh, I am very jealous of this card. Gandalf the White in the poster. That is awesome. That's fantastic. So, way to go, Joel. Food, Spirit. And then going into the next pack. Took Reaper, Fire of Orthanc, Ugluk the White Hand, Grond the Gatebreaker, put that one in the wrong stack, Protector of Gondor, into the foils, Enraged Horn, the Grey Havens, Gandalf Sanction, our Surge Foil Full Art Land Island. For a rare, we're getting into Prize Pig, Taunt from the Rampart, Galadriel's Dismissal, Full Art, Forge Anew, Surge Foil, beautiful, Gandalf, Friend of the Shire, Surge Foil, Seasons Past for the new, and then we're on to Food and Orc Army. And we're just going on to the next. And to start, Swarming of Moria, Dreadful as the Storm, Voracious Fellbeast, Nazgul. Those are always a good card. Can't have too many, especially in the new showcase scroll art. Chance Met Elves, East Farthing Farmer, Shire Sheriff, Tale of Tunaviel, and then our Surge Foil Island, Eowyn, Fearless Knight for our rare, the Balrog of Moria. That's always cool. I don't know if I like this one or the other art better. They're both super cool though. I do like that it's in foil. Call Forth the Tempest, Cascade. And then we have Mithril Coat, Surge Foil. And then Minas Morgul, Dark Fortress, Legendary Land. Enters tapped, tap it for a swamp. Elvish Harbinger. We've seen, I know I opened several of those in the last pack, but that's full art, always good. Food, Orc Army. Now we're gonna switch to the other side towards the back. So far we're sitting at 2 mythics, a fair bit of rares, uncommons, commons, and we're starting with Mushroom Watchdogs, Hobbit Sting, Rising of the Day, Rise of the Witch King, uncommon, Gimli's Axe getting into the foil, Cirith Ungol Patrol, Shortcut to Mushrooms, Theoden, King of Rohan, our Surge Foil Plains, Radagast, Wizard of Wilds for our rare, Círdan the Shipwright in foil, Oleron's Searing Light, each opponent exiles a creature with the greatest power among creatures that player controls. We do have another mythics. We are up to 3 mythics. Oh, 4 mythics. My apologies. 4 mythics. Frodo Baggins, Surge Foil. And here's the foil of the one I opened last night, Aragon the Uniter. That is beautiful. So far, he has gotten 2 of the poster art cards. So that is awesome. 1 foil, 1 non-foil. Then we have our Food and Human Soldier tokens. We'll take from the middle for this one. And we're starting with Mordor Trebuchet, Int's Fury, the Grey Havens, You Cannot Pass, Relentless Rohirrim, into our foil, Orcish Medicine, Stew the Conies, Morher Urkhai Captain, Full Art Surge Foil Forest, and then for the rares, we're getting into Horn of Gondor, Galadrim Ambush, Galadrim Brigade, so lots of elf creatures, Born Upon a Wind, Surge Foil Full Art Rare, Frodo, Sauron's Bane, Surge Foil Showcase Rare, Myriad Landscape for our land, uncommon, and then we have our food and Ballistic Boulder token. We're going to take from the middle on the other side. And we're starting with Eagles of the North, Warbeast of Gorgoroth, Bill Ferny, Bree Swindler, Goblin Firekeeper, Now for Wrath, Now for Ruin, getting into the foils, Mordor Trebuchet, Samwise the Stout-Hearted, The Bath Song, that one's a fun one, Mountain in our Surge Foil, then Legolas Master Archer for our rare, Lossarnach, Captain, Galadriel, Light of Valinor for another mythic, so that puts us at 6 mythics so far, so that's pretty good. King of the Oathbreakers, Full Art Surge Foil, that is really cool art on there. Hopefully you can see it. Beautiful card. Minas Tirith for our legendary land. And then we have our Full Art Explorer. You can play an additional land this turn. And our food, treasure. This one next. So 3 more packs after this. This is our 9th one that we're opening. So far that's a pretty good amount of mythic cards. Starting with Deceive the Messenger, Troll of Khazad-dûm, Theoden, King of Rohan, Elrond, Lord of Rivendell, Birthday Escape, getting into the foils, Warbeast of Gorgoroth, Voracious Fellbeast, Glorfindel, Dauntless Rescuer, Full Art Swamp, Surge Foil, beautiful. And now we're going to travel through Card-Haras for our rare Orcish Bowmasters. That one's been a good card for this run. Courageous Resolve for an instant. Up to 1 target creature you control gains protection from each of your opponents until end of turn. So that's good. Shalab, Child of Ungoliant. Surge Foil Full Art Rare. Then we have Ring Abarhir or Sword of the Animist for our mythic. So that would be number 7, I believe. Full Art Surge Foil. Then we have Full Art Tempt with Discovery for our uncommon. And then food, Human Soldier. Taking the next one from the back. And starting with Now for Wrath, Now for Ruin, Shire Scarecrow, Gwahir the Windlord, getting into the rares, Shadow Summoning, foil, Errand Rider of Gondor, the Black Breath, Foray of Orcs, Mirror of Galadriel, and then our Surge Foil Full Art Plains. Now for the rares, we have Mirkwood Trapper, Lost Isle Calling in foil, Eagle of Deliverance for full art, Glamdring for another mythic. This one, Surge Foil Full Art, beautiful as always. We have a rare Surge Foil, Ramus Ecker Ancient Shield, legendary artifact. And then Tempt with Discovery, uncommon full art. And then our token is Food and Human Soldier. And second to last. So far, I would say that he has done pretty good out of this box. Hopefully, fingers crossed, there is a serialized card for him in here. We're Nimble Hobbit, Woe's Pathfinder, Mary Duck Brandy Book, Gandalf Sanction, Bombadil Song getting into the foil, Uruk-hai Berserker, Old Man Willow, Quick Beam Upstart Int, Surge Foil Full Art Swamp, Galadriel Elven Queen. So we're starting with a mythic. That's always good. Samwise Gamgee. And then full art Mirkwood Channeler. Now we're getting into the Surge Foil, the Battle of Bywater, full art Sorcery, Samwise the Stout-Hearted for our showcase Surge Foil. Now we're into Tower of Cirith Ungol for Urborg, legendary land for our rare, and then Food and Tentacle. Change it up a little bit. All right, this is his last pack, so fingers crossed. But again, he's already gotten 2 of the poster arts, 1 foil, so that is tracking with the last box that I opened, but pretty good. And so we are starting last pack, Rush the Room, Greyhaven's Navigator, Peregrine Took, Oath of the Grey Host, into the foils, Elven Farsight, Captain of Umbar, Saruman's Trickery, Gift of Strands, and then our Surge Foil Full Art Mountain. And so mythic rares, we're getting into Haldur, Lorien Lieutenant, Elven Chorus. So that one's a beautiful card. Legolas's Quick Reflexes for an instant, split second, untap target creature until end of turn. It gains hexproof reach, and whenever this creature becomes tapped, it deals damage equal to its power to up to 1 target creature. And then we have our full art Surge Foil, Display of Power. Elrond, Lord of Rivendell for the Showcase Surge Foil. And then we have rare full art regular foil Worship and a Food and Tentacle for those. So Joel, hopefully you enjoy the cards that you got. Again, my 2 favorites, but good luck. Thank you. Good night.